How to get Hulu Plus Live TV free trial. Hulu Plus Live TV occasionally offers free trials, allowing new users to explore live TV channels, on-demand content, and streaming features. Here's a step-by-step guide to check and activate your free trial. Overview. While free trials for Hulu Plus Live TV are not always available, Hulu may offer promotions or bundles, such as with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Step 1. Visit the Hulu website. Go to www.hulu.com. Look for a Start Your Free Trial button on the homepage or Live TV section. Step 2. Check for Hulu Plus Live TV trial availability. Scroll to the Hulu Plus Live TV plan details. If a free trial is available, you will see an option to activate it. If not, consider discounted or bundled plans. Step 3. Sign up for an account. Click Start Free Trial if available. Enter your email, create a password, and provide other necessary details. Alternatively, sign up using your Google, Apple, or Facebook accounts. Step 4. Choose a Hulu Plus Live TV plan. Select from Hulu with ads plus Live TV, Hulu no ads plus Live TV. Both options include Disney Plus and ESPN Plus as part of the bundle. Confirm the plan you want to try. Step 5. Enter payment information. Add your credit, debit card, or PayPal details. Hulu won't charge during the trial period, but will automatically bill you after the trial ends unless you cancel. Step 6. Start streaming Hulu Plus Live TV. Once your trial is activated, you can watch live TV channels, sports, and news, access Hulu's on-demand library, stream Disney Plus and ESPN Plus if included in your plan. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log in to your Hulu account. Go to Account Settings Subscription. Select Cancel Subscription to avoid charges after the trial period. By following these steps, you can explore Hulu Plus Live TV and decide if it fits your streaming needs.